Hey everybody, welcome back to Digital Pizza. I'm Peter Rose, and today we're going to talk about the VIN tag and the brads that hold the VIN tags in. I found, as I mentioned before, I found a place in Europe that reproduces the brads. You know, you can use the original brads over again, but here's an original brad next to one of the reproduction brads, and as you can see, the head on them is identical, and it's, you know, beautiful, brand new stainless steel, and next to the old one there's just no comparison. So I will put a link down there for you to if you want to order some. As you can see, I ordered a whole bunch of them, and I don't recall how much they were, but they're not expensive. So anyway, that's that. And here are the VIN tag and the DOT tag, both of which use the same brad. So you know, I'll clean these up and we'll put them on. You know, one of the products that I use is this Meguiar's cleaner wax. This stuff is magical. I mean, you can clean up just about anything with this stuff. You can get it at any of the auto parts stores, and I use this on everything from plastic to metal to, you know, whatever. So I'm going to use it on these VIN tags right here. As you can see, there's some kind of crusty dirt on there and stuff, so I'm going to polish those up real quick and we'll see how they turn out. If you notice, I used the actual leg of my you know, tripod to rub on them because they kind of have a curved shape to them, which you don't want to flatten them out because they won't fit the frame when you put them back on very well. So you want to kind of use a rolled surface to rub the wax on them. Okay, so I had to use a tiny little drill to kind of bore out the hole a little bit because these brads might be just slightly fatter in diameter. So let's see how these work now. So there it is. Got one VIN tag in with brand new brads, and they look very nice. So like I said, you may have to drill out the hole just slightly with the reproduction brads because they might be slightly fatter. But anyway, they go in there really well. So now we'll put the DOT tag in. Again, you may have to drill out the hole a little bit. I just do it by hand. So it went in there nicely. Nice brand new brads. The label's a little beat up, but again, the bike was totally beat up. So anyway, it looks a lot better than it did. So there you have it. Nice cleaned up VIN tags, reinstalled in the frame the way they were from the factory with brand new brads. So now, just for your information, I used a 1/16 inch size drill bit, and I used kind of a flat nose pliers to just kind of drill through it by hand. It's very, very simple. You know, you don't have to muscle it through. It goes in very easily, and it just makes it just large enough for the brads. And I just tap it in with a regular hammer. So anyway, if you have any questions, please email me. I answer all my questions. And please subscribe. And I will leave the link for the brads down below if you're interested in ordering some. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.